Here's a little conversation I had with ChatGPT. I was trying to find the Russian for motherfucking because I wanted to post it on a chat board, and I've been playing around with posting it in different languages. So here's what she says. Gives you the pronunciation too, and then she gives you the moral lecture. Extremely strong and vulgar. And I'm coming back with calling her a mommy, and I apologize for any misunderstanding. So then I say, what's the most vulgar in Russian? And then I got this one here, pizdets. Highly derogatory and is used extreme. So then I say, give me some more and spare me the moral lecture. But she still gives me the moral lecture right here. Yebat, suka. Then I wanted the pronunciation of all those so I could use them. Bliad, hui, yebat, suka, suka, bliad. And then I remembered my father. He was Romanian, and he taught me something. Yop buyumat. So I asked her about that one, and she says she found it. Yop buyumat. Extremely vulgar and offensive. And I started laughing. And she says, I'm glad you found it amusing. And I told her to fuck off. She's so polite. Here. I'm sorry if I'm causing you frustration. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask. Anyway, hopefully you guys will find some amusement in this. And onward and fucking upward. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.